Hello guys, it's me again. Try to do a very unique cornrow on myself. Ever since I learn how to make cornrow and other styles on myself, in fact the joy in me is something that I cannot even relate. I love making my own hair because it give me joy, it give me this vibe, it make me feel that yes, whatsoever you want to do in this life, once you are focused, you are consis ten t, you will surely achieve it. When I started making my hair initially, it wasn't easy because seeing people making themselves hair, I was like, is their hand not paining them? How are they doing it? How are they coping it? Boom, I said let me try it on myself. So from making straight cornrow for myself, I started spicing it, putting a lot of spice on it, giving myself a little style, just like the one I want to do today. What I'm making for myself today is a center party cornrow. Please, if you are watching my video to this extent, just give me a like because it's not easy. Until you try it, that's when you know it will not easy. Give me a like and help me to share this my video, trying to share my talent with you. Please share this video to other people so they can see what I can do on myself. You know, it's only a fashion designer that know how to sew clothes for themselves, right? Now I decide to start making my own hair by myself, not only the fashion designer. I say to myself, just as fashion designer make clothes for themselves, let me start make hair for myself. I can't be a hairstylist washing other making hair for themselves, and I will be running up and down to make hair to make my own hair. So I started by making a straight cornrow for myself. At first it wasn't easy because before I can end one cornrow like this, my hands will be paining me, but I never give up. I keep doing it, not until now that I can even make any hairstyle myself without feeling any pains on my hand. That is the joy of consis ten cy. Guys, anything you are doing, just make sure you keep doing it. Repetition of what you like doing will make you to be perfect. Though I'm not yet perfect, but the level I am now, I can boldly say that I'm doing well. Honestly, even though nobody tell me I'm doing well, look at the cutting now without help from anyone. You can see how it is. That is how I keep making it. I say yes, I want to be part of people that can make hair for themselves. Very soon I'll be making a lot of ex ten sion on my hair, different type of ex ten sion, but let's start from this one. Now making cornrow is very easy for me. It's as if I'm making it on someone hair. The hair is tight and neat, and the lines, the cutting also is also neat, unlike before my cutting is somehow it looks somehow, but it's very far better than now. This is how I keep making it. I said I'm making certain part on myself. Like for example, if I have any emergency occasion that I have my wig to wear, no need of me looking for a place to make a cornrow for myself. I sit down with in front of my mirror and cut a simple cornrow I make on myself, put on my wig, and I'm ready to go. If you have been wishing of making your hair by yourself, it's not hard. It's just by you starting from from the scratch. It won't be easy from the beginning. Imagine me with natural hair. You can see that my hair is natural hair, and I was making it like this without any stress. When you start it, it will look as if you are not going to do it, but with your consis ten cy you will get there. I now know that it's very easy to make hair on yourself if you are determined to do so. I was just like, how do I get here? Because I can't remember how it all started. I only remember how those days that I used to wish I can make hair on myself. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I will be giving you a lot of DIY hairstyle on myself. The one you can recreate, the one you can share to others to recreate. This is me because the joy in making my own hair is is something I cannot relate. I feel joy, I drive a lot of joy from it, and that is how I keep doing it from one step to another until I get my desired result. This time around, I'm done with the first part. I've moved to the second part of the hair. I'm making a center party for myself. You can see my face is already coming out. Can you imagine? If I have to pay for this simple hairstyle in my area now, I'll pay nothing less than 1,500 for it. 1,500 Nigerian money for it. But this is what I just gift myself. Can you imagine? Traveling to diaspora will be easy because I will not be looking for a way to make a place to make my hair. I already know how to make hair on myself from my home. So it's very easy, guys. Just as I said earlier, what you need to do is consis ten cy and determination. Determination, they say, give result. Whatsoever you have determined to do, be consis ten cy on it and you get a good result for your work. I'm done with I'm done with the first one, taking the other one so I will be able to achieve the shape I want. Guys, please, the only thing I want from you is to help me to like, share and drop your comment. If I try, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if I try, which I know very well that I try. And if you are going to try something like this, don't forget to drop your comment. Don't forget to let me know the next style I should be creating on myself. Let me know the next style I should be creating for myself. Before, I used to think people that make hair for themselves, once they show us that they start it, the next thing is they'll cut the video and go and show us the edge. I was thinking maybe they were faking it until I started making my own hair by myself. This is real from beginning to the end. I make it without any assistance. The cutting, the weaving, the combing, everything was done by myself, and I'm so happy I could do it, which I know you can do it also. If you are a stay at home mom, if you are in diaspora and you want to do something like this, please, I will encourage you to go ahead. It's very easy, it's very simple to do, very very easy and very very simple to do. And at the end of the day, you feel this joy in you making hair for yourself. I now know that all these people that make hair for themselves, they feel at peace, because when you are making it on yourself, you don't need to hold the hair tight. Yes, you handle your hair with care. You can see this hairstyle on my hair is protective hairstyle. You can handle it with care, unlike when you are, yeah, when someone is making it for you, you have to be telling them it's too tight, it's too this, it's too that, so that it will be soft, it will not be paining you. But when you are making it for yourself, you feel relaxed, you feel relaxed making it, because it's painless.